without you. Well, I know you've been holding hands with anxiety for way too long. You had to take out on the same couch every Friday when your friends are busy living life. Well, I know you miss the old days. You're in a different headspace, and I know you think it's too late.
Hey gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. If it's your first time here, my name is Chelsea. So today guys, I have good news. If you struggle with applying your forces before, you struggle no more with these ones from Think Show. These ones from Think Show, they are the bomb, okay? And we have the DIY ones. And guys, if you struggle before to apply your forces, you don't need to worry. These ones say they got your back. Me that struggle to apply my forces with these magnetic ones, it does wonders. Within a twinkle of an eye, you are done. One thing, it came with an applicator, it came with the remover, it came with glue. Everything you need for your lashes, it came with everything. Scissors, just think of it. That's the applicator, just look like eyeliner. So firstly, I'm going to apply the magnetic ones. Just head to their website, okay, because I'm going to leave the link to their website too on the description box. Head there, you will see they have millions of them, and they are very easy to install. There will be a discount code, guys. Make use of it to get some percentage off your purchase. Me that find it difficult to apply my forces,
I feel that, yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space, you're inside the noise.
within a twinkle of an eye, you are done. You are done. I mean, you are done, and they look so gorgeous. The magnetic ones, the DIY ones, look at that. Ooh, I'm feeling myself. Feel me the way I'm feeling these lashes. And you guys know that lashes take you from 0 to 100. Okay, look at the finish. Look guys, isn't it beautiful? Just look at how stunning I am looking with these lashes. Guys, for the DIY lashes, they have 12, 14, 14, 16. Can you guys see? So which is this one. Then this one is the longest. This one is 10, 12, 12, 14. Okay, no. This one is the longest. This 16 is the longest. Here is 10, 12, 12, 14. That's this one. Then this other one is the smallest one, in case if you like really simple natural lashes, you don't want something too dramatic, you don't want something that show too much. If you want something that really look like your natural lashes, you don't like dramatic, you are that simple girl, you understand? This is the one you will use, because the longest one here is 12, 10, 10, 8, okay? So I think we're going to use the longest one, the 16, 14 and 12. Or should we use the 14, 12, 12, 10? Because me, I don't like when the lashes are too long also. So, and from here, after filming this, I'll be going out. I don't want to like carry too much shouting lashes, but if you like that type, no problem. So I'm just going to use this one. The longest one of this one is 14, so let's try it on. This one is DIY lashes, and they are from Think Show. Okay, you guys saw the previous one that I applied. In here we have the remover, the applicator, and the glue. Okay, see, this is the glue, this one is the glue. This one has remover and the applicator. Let me bring it out for you guys to see. Okay, it has two sides. You can see. Let me show you guys. One side is the bond, while the other side is start. Is it starter? Something like that. I can't say it very well. I don't know if you guys can see this and pronounce it well. Why the glue? Why this one? This other one is let me see. Remover. Okay, this is the gel remover. So after applying it, you use this remover to remove it easily from your eyes. Okay, so we are going to try this very one right away. Hey guys, after putting on these lashes, you're going to see the way my eyes will be transformed. You guys know that lashes take it from 0 to boom. Okay, let me do that. So these are the applicators that came with it. You have your applicator, okay, this one, and a pair of scissors. This came with it. This here, they kept them here. Okay, so we're going to use all this in case if you want to cut, you use your scissors. If you want to apply it, use this. So let's go, guys. Let's go. So in case if you're interested, all information will be on the description box, so just try it out. Like I said, these ones are DIY. Let's remove it. And one thing, you can use this so many times, not just once use. You use them so many times. You see, this is the one I'll be using that has the longest one, 14, 12 and 10. I think so, yes, 14, 12 and 10. This one I'll be using. So you can use them as many times as you want. So the bond is like this. This is the bond, you can see it. So I'll just apply it on my lashes under like this. Use it to comb my lash up. I'm looking at the mirror. Let me take my hair backward. Yeah, it's disturbing me. So you just have to open your eye like this. So guys, I'll start with the 14 here because it's the longest. This is the 14. All you do, you're just going to place it under. You guys can see it. This is it. This is how it looks like. Okay, so I'll open my eye. I'm just going to place this where I want it to be. You see that it's very easy, very easy. Okay, then I'm going to take, now the next one should be 12. Let me take 12. See, this is how you do it, remove it. Okay, this one is 12. I'll put the 12 closer to it. Okay, see, I'm just going to put it closer to this one. Open your eye. So you just drop it like that. You see? You see, so here we have 14, 12. So I'm going to add 10. Should I add another 14? Maybe. I think I should add 14 here. Then I'll add 12. I'm coming. Let me add second 14. 12. Sorry. Let me add the 12 again. Oh, I don't want it to. Let me put add the 10. If I don't like it, I will add 14 because I don't want it too full. If you want volume, you can add two 14 before 12 and 10, or 1 14, 2 10 and 12. Let's put it here. I think it's okay like this. We don't need to add. Yeah, it looks more natural like this. What do you guys think? You see it? I think it's better. It's better. I don't need to add again because if I add, it will be too full here because these are my natural. Or should I add one here? No. I prefer it this way. think it's better this way. It's better this way.
I haven't seen you in a long time. Almost been a year since you broke my heart and tore me apart. Oh, yeah. I've been working on myself, trying to move on. Hooking up with someone else, trying to forget and get you out of my head. No, I deleted all your messages, cause it only reminds me of the past. But you're still drunk texting me when you're lonely. I don't know why you keep calling me on my phone.
So you just use this one to press it like this. Make sure it blends with your natural lashes.
What makes you think I would go back? Why would I wanna try again? You're not listening. No, you keep saying you changed, but we both know people don't change it. It's time to let me go. Why won't you leave me alone? I deleted all your messages.
What you do, you just use this sealant. This side, you guys remember that is two. This side is the glue and this side is the sealant. Okay, you apply the sealant on it. This is it. So I will apply it on my lashes like this. So guys, that is it. Ooh, yeah, guys, this is beautiful. So remember, I used the 14, 12 and 10. There's the longer one is 16, 14 and 12. So if you like longer ones, you can apply that one. I really like this one, and if you prefer shorter one, you can use that of 12, 10 and 8. Okay, so this is just perfect for me. See, I prefer this DIY lash. Why I prefer this DIY lash is very easy. The application very easy to apply. If you are the type that struggle with your lashes, this one got your back. These ones right here, the DIY got your back. But if you don't struggle with your lashes, you can use the other one. Like me, I struggle, so I think I prefer the DIY. That is just me. So you make your choice, okay? So I'm going to leave all details on the description. If you're interested, check it out. All right, guys, I will see you guys in my next one. Then remain gorgeous. Please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, you like it here, why not hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. Ciao.
Only I don't